Welcome to a new episode of New in the Foodhall, where the spices are bold, the flavours are vibrant, and heat is just the beginning. That's right, we're delving fork first into Indian cuisine, and we're going to be trying some of M&S's collection line dishes. So, grab a napkin, loosen your belt, and let's get ready to feast.
So much more fragrant, much more zesty, a much lighter curry.
Oh, yes, please. I like that. My goodness, we're talking about mashups, and you've done a shepherd's pie without any mash. Adventurous eaters.
Very adventurous.
We're very sophisticated people. Well, I'm joined now by Kathryn, who's Director of Product at M&S. I'm very excited now because we've got these wonderful recipes. What have we got?
So I brought you 3 dishes today to try. One is our Deli butter chicken. So that's quite an interesting recipe. So that was invented, believe it, in the 1950s in Delhi by a chap called Mr. Gurjal. And he created a delicious recipe with cream and spices and tomato. And so that is one of my favourites.
Oh, look at that.
So hopefully you can get that lovely smoky woodiness. So there's 12 unique spices that we've blended together to give us a signature garam masala.
You can. Coriander seed?
Yes.
Fennel?
Yeah, very good. You could actually come into my team if you need a new career.
Kathryn, I would really like that, actually.
I'll see you Monday.
Kathryn, what else have we got?
So we've got a king prawn Keralan curry, which
From Kerala?
yes. So much lighter and zestier, and packed with prawns.
There's loads of prawns in it
Loads
as
of
well.
prawns, yes.
Which is what you want, isn't it?
Exactly. Yes, you don't want all sauce and no prawns.
No, all sauce and no prawns. What a
sauce,
terrible
no
nickname that would be. Okay. So we've got a lovely bit of sauce there.
So much more fragrant, much more zesty, a much lighter curry.
I mean, I can't believe I'm in this kitchen and not on the streets of Kerala or something. You know, it's really amazing. Now, M&S is doing a lot of mashups, aren't they?
We're finding that our customers love fusion foods. So we have done an onion Bhaji and Bombay aloo topped shepherd's pie.
Oh, I like the idea of that.
We tested it with customers and they absolutely loved it. And we thought, well, we have got to actually bring it to the shelves so everybody can try it.
Now look at this shepherd's pie. Have you ever seen such a glistening, delicious, flavour-packed shepherd's pie? Oh, look.
You can get all the spices through, so the garam masala again is coming through, so all those different spices, that blend of 12 spices that have been freshly roasted every day, Tom, have been blended through the base.
Well, that is so flavourful.
Could that become one of your new favourites?
Do you know what, actually, I think so, because I like anything with texture. So
Yes.
when it's got a mixture of textures to it like that,
Yeah.
I just think that's so exciting on the palate.
Great.
Kathryn, thank you as ever for taking time out of your busy schedule to introduce us to these wonderful dishes. I really appreciate it. And now, please leave.
Thank you, Tom.
And there you have it, a few Indian-inspired dishes coming to the M&S Foodhall. And be sure to get your little hands on them as soon as possible because they won't disappoint. Until next time, everybody, namaste.